2016. But what he did is he rebuilt one and he did a nice job at it, titled it as a new title, and that's why the thing has a late model on it. So we're going to wait for green flags. We have two flagmen out here. He's going to bring up the RPM. He's got a 92 International cab over there. He calls it the Orange Truck. All right, those of you who have been here before, you know this is one to watch out for. Can either keep that full or come back again. He says, you know what, that's far enough. So he's going to keep that full. So 363.34, that's the distance to keep to get into the final three right there. Next out onto the track will be James Huber out of Narbonne, PA, in the 99 Peterbilt. Waiting on the green flag. Here goes any Peterbilt fans here. Long gear. They picked this all year. You need to get the RPMs up now. Hey, very nice job. 322.55 to James Huber, 322.55. That'd be less fair. Out of first PA in the 1972 white. A lot of them fell on the wayside in the business line 50 years, white being one. He's got to build the RPMs up just like James Huber. Nice job. Then it's 322 and 303. Another Peterbilt coming up in 88 out of Whiteford, Maryland. Rob Sims. All right, Rob Sims representing you, Maryland folks. Around the 3406 cat. Eli Blacklick out of Billington, Maryland in the 98 Kenworth. Yeah, I guess if you're Baltimore, he doesn't mind if you take his truck out on the weekend. So he brings that up. What if he knows? Brandon McCarvey will be up next out of Ephrata, PA. He'll be driving an 82 Freightliner. Got Dave Button coming up out of Maryland. He's got that 87 Max Superliner with the big V8. Way out there. I don't think it's quite as far coming up here out of Hamburg, PA, Carl Taylor. Top three, John Savoy's coming back out of Glen Mills, PA, in that 2016 Diamond Rio.
All right, needs to get out there 322.55 if we're going to see him again in the street shootout.